I just think music is sometimes an undervalued part of the curriculum. A lot of teachers don't have the confidence or the skills to do it properly in school or to do enough of it. So making it the focus for me was absolutely fantastic. So the children have had a concentrated, valuable musical experience that it might have taken years. They got it in abundance here and just loved it. What they were doing just looked so incredible and creative and different. Words can't describe how much they've benefited in every way, in the well-being sense, educationally, just the absolute joy of music, learning through music, and just music for music's own sake.
We're going to be doing all the songs we've learned, and we're going to be doing it for our parents and grandparents. I think it's really fun, and it's made me learn new songs and how to play instruments more.
We're playing songs, and we're actually learning, and we're having fun rhythms.
It just brought so much joy to their learning. Best investment we ever made.